Okay, I'm just over here in a roof that I've just insulated with cellulose fibre insulation. They've got air conditioning ducting, so this is going to make the aircon about 40% more efficient according to CSIRO. And the cellulose fibre is pumped in, so there's no gaps. You can see right over in the edge there, it just gets so close to all the timbers that there's absolutely no gaps. And it's quite easy to install for the installer, so therefore it gets installed properly. Whereas the bats, if you can imagine bats trying to cut bats into all the little triangular pieces that are all around the roof and over in the corners and that, bats are difficult to install, and unfortunately they're normally installed by labourers that aren't trained very well, and so they leave lots of gaps. So the cellulose fibre is pumped in, no gaps, get 100% efficiency, and aircon will work a lot better.